Hello, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and I'm back with Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal update. Cindy Leanne had a bit of a backlog because of some personal stuff that was going on, and so she had 3 journals. She sent them to me in one big box, and they were able to go into a medium flat rate box. So today I'm going to flip through Kenda's journal. She's from the UK and she joined in with our Canada group number 2. And so this is Kenda's journal flip through. So she's started with a pre-made journal, pink leatherette cover, really pretty pink. And we've got the inside cover decorated with mushrooms. So she must like mushrooms. And then cover page with her address, and then we got some sort of tropical looking papers, and then she did a hand drawn Hello 2026 with some washi tapes on it. Feel free to add or take anything from the pockets. There are also pages for everyone to add to. Also, feel free to do your own pages. So an about me, it's nice to see a picture. So she's done little flip ups to, oh, she didn't put her age. It's a secret, is it? Female, date of birth, star sign, Sagittarius, hair color. Some of us have multiple hair colors. Ipswich, Suffolk is where she's from in the UK. And so she's left us a place to draw a little self-portrait. Draw yourself in a box. And then a little pouch with some gingerbread stickers, some Christmas stickers. So it looks like some people have taken some. And a little piece of handmade paper and some Halloween stickers. And then a couple more little pockets with some more things to swap in. So I imagine the idea is take what you would like and leave something if it's a swap. And some of your tape is kind of holding these things in place, which isn't necessarily a bad thing for going through the mail. We've got some little bits of die cuts and paper ephemera, some washi tapes, some little pieces of really neat textural paper, and a dragonfly. And then on this top envelope, we've got some smaller ones, some washi stickers, some heart stickers. A few kind of look like they might be Christmas themes, just cutesy Christmas themes. Some kitty cats and some oval die cuts. Oh, these ones are not just ovals, they're little quote bubbles, I guess you would call them. So I may go in and glue your washi tape down, Kenda, because it would prevent everything sticking to them. And then we have a sticker dump page, it looks like. And you just put whatever stickers you want and make a collage by the end of the year. About me continued. I love Studio Ghibli movies. Don't know what that is. My favorite movie is the original Grinch. I'm kind of right there with you, Kenda. I love the Grinch movie too, the original one. I do watch the new one every year as well, but I still like the old original one. Like being in nature. Have no pets. Son who is 6 months old. Oh, so you're right in the thick of it. Mine's 26 years old. All things Sanrio. I didn't know what that was for the longest time. I kept seeing it and not understanding what they were talking about. And I guess it's little cartoon character thingies that is just not of my era. She likes photography. I used to be a healthcare assistant in a care home, and I have also started pen paling. I had a pen pal when I was a young girl, and she was in Germany. Her name was Anka Heine. And we pen palled back and forth for a few years when I was quite young. And it was really cool to get airmail letters in the mail with the red and white stripes around the envelopes. That was really unique to me. I liked that a lot. Places you would love to visit or visit again. And everyone's put something, although they didn't all put their name. I guess we kind of know by the order. Must watch movies. Oh, I can add a few to that. Must watch series. I can definitely add to that one. And then we've got another pocket here with some more goodies. Scrapbook paper scraps. What's this one? More, these vellum pages are gorgeous. Some book page. Prosecco made me do it. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. That's a cute one too, the Lego bricks. So some funny little cards. They're not really cards, they're just paper, but you could put them onto cardstock. So those are fun. I imagine it's a take one, leave one kind of situation. I'm not really sure. I'm not gonna mess with that. And do your doodles. Sticker dump 2. Washi tape display. Self-love potion. So that's someone's page, I think. Or maybe Kenda did the page. There's another layer under there, but it doesn't seem to be like it's supposed to be seen. I got a page with a kitty cat. Edmonton, that must be someone's page. I'm trying to think who else is on the list. West Edmonton Mall. Some Edmonton ephemera. You guys need to sign your pages. We might remember right now, but in years when Kenda goes to look at this, she won't remember who did that page. What's this? Something for Kenda, looks like. I love the zipper. And in that Sanrio style. And then a little pocket with some funky paper clips. And this is March. Again, not signed. Oh, Lisa Emke did some Canada stuff. I love these tiny little paper clips. They're so cute. Little journaling card or tag, I guess. And in a pocket, floating pocket. And then a memories card with a film strip. Simple enough. Under a belly band, which looks like it's handmade paper. And the belly band is a double belly band with a couple more tags under the little extra belly band. That's a really cute one. And then over here, we've got like an ephemera storage page where she's put a bunch of tags. Looks like tags she's made because they have some collaging on them. I love your ribbons. And some more little bits. this coupon tickets. And those ones look like Temu type tickets. A little, what is this? A little slide thing. And another little ticket. So those are fun. Good idea to do an ephemera page like that. And then it looks like this is still Lisa. So she did a nice background of the handwritten paper, and then a corner pocket with a mushroom, and then a few journaling cards. Lisa, you must like red, or was it just to be more of a Canada theme with the red? Nice little fabric cluster with a little dangle on it. A little crocheted and embroidered and yo-yo. This is really adorable, Lisa. That's really cute. I'm wondering if you made it. I imagine you did. And then a altered paper clip, again with the Canada theme and the mushroom theme. And some Forever and a Day, a nice big tag with lots of room to write on the back. I like your pages, Lisa. And then Cindy's. She's done a nice little flip out here. Oops, I'll have to glue that for you. You can kind of see where it was and feel where it was. So I'll add some glue right now. Well, that's fresh in my mind. I'm using Fabri-Tac, which is acetone based. It dries really quick, so it'll allow me to carry on. Looks like you used a tape runner, a glue runner or something like that. So that was glued right there. I'll just hold it for a second. So a little cardstock or thick scrapbook paper. Lots of room to journal there. Cute little cover page. And then in here, Life is an Adventure. That's really pretty paper. And then Morden, Manitoba, where Cindy's from, or lives at least. And then there's some little ephemera from her town, pictures. And then, what's this? Is this another flip of some sort? So we've got a little, I like the seashell with the pink background. Little piece of scrapbook paper in there. And that flips open. And it's just, it's like almost like a little booklet page. And then when you turn the page, there's another flip. Nope, there's a pocket. There's just no end to how many different ways you can do a page, is there? And then there's lots of pages left to do. It's getting a little chunky, but not in danger of breaking just yet. I don't know. I think if I was going to do a journal in one of these books, I would remove every other signature or something like that, because it just gets so overstuffed. There's still a few months left with people adding to this. So what I might do to start off with is take a few pages out of the center of each section, just so that it gives it some space before it breaks. Because we have had a couple blowouts on our groups where the journals just come apart. They just can't handle all the additions. So that's Kenda's journal. So I'm going to try to get some work done in this right away and get it off to Cheryl Wessel, who's next on our list. And so she can have a journal. I'm sure she's been waiting for one too. So thanks for watching today. I hope that you enjoy seeing the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal progress as we go through the year. We're going to be done in November so that everyone can have the craziness of December without having to worry about doing a journal. And you should get your journal back in December. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.